For about a decade, Colorado's been out of compliance with federal clean air standards, so now the state has to come up with an ozone air plan to submit to the EPA.
And Denver 7's Megan Lopez spoke with environmental advocates who say the plan just doesn't go far enough.
Normally on cold days like this,
our hands, our feet, everything are freezing.
there isn't a lot of talk about Colorado's air quality. That's saved for the hot, smoggy days of summer. But here outside the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment,
I'm Shayna Oliver. I'm a mother.
One by one, Denver residents have come to share their stories of the impact bad air has had on their lives.
It's really brown here in the metro area of Denver, and that has a great impact on my asthma, to where I have a hard time breathing. We shouldn't have to spend so many days indoors just to survive.
These testimonials come
So the Clean Air Act framework,
as the state's Air Quality Control Commission hosts 3 days of hearings before a final vote on its ozone air plan for the EPA. That plan outlines how the state will come into federal compliance with clean air standards. In September, Colorado was deemed a severe violator of those standards and will miss a 2024 deadline to reduce ozone emissions. These advocates say the state keeps kicking the can down the road.
We think the plans don't go far enough. We want them to include additional control measures that will actually reduce ozone pollution.
Then last month, an error was found even within the Colorado plan. Regulators severely underestimated emissions from oil and gas operations.
The oil and gas sector is contributing a lot more to ozone pollution than the modeling initially showed. So the data is flawed.
So it's withdrawing that part of the plan. Even with the incorrect data, though, the state says it's on track to meet 2008 standards by 2027. For this group,
Oh, that's a good picture, everybody.
none of that is nearly enough.
I was just in the hospital 2 months ago over an asthma attack. So, I just say this, enough is enough.
For their health and the sake of their children, they say the state needs to do more and more quickly to truly make a difference. In Denver, Megan Lopez, Denver 7.
In a statement, CDPHE said, "The state implementation plans are one part of our many strategies to reduce ozone pollution in Colorado." It goes on to say that we continue working with public and private partners and Colorado communities to incorporate and implement the best available science, air monitoring, and pollution control practices to advance clean air for all.
And the CDPHE has a webpage where you can see air quality across Colorado. I looked at the page this afternoon, and you can find a map that shows any air quality advisories, a database with air quality reports, and a smoke outlook. And right now there aren't any advisories, and the air quality map shows good conditions across Colorado. Now you can check out the webpage for yourself at colorado.gov/air quality.